So here's some footage I got on the James River. Tug's pulling a barge full of containers. He just left the Port of Richmond and he's heading back to Norfolk. Them are all empty containers. So when they come upriver here, he's bringing them from Norfolk. But he's heading back downstream to Norfolk. This is kind of heading south at this point right here from Richmond, which actually the James River flows east. So pretty neat seeing the barge come down the river. Got some more footage here of Betsey. She decided to try her first ski of the year here. She did really good. She didn't want to push it because it hurts her sometimes. We're both getting a little older, but I don't think she intended on the way that she hit the landing here at the end. So anyway, it happens. So there's Betsey skiing. We had a great day on the James River between Richmond and Hopewell, Virginia.